Hey everyone, welcome into the Gargoyles Den. I'm Gargoyle, of course, and today we are going to be doing a special Christmas episode. Reason being is we have a buddy build with Santa Slowdog for Christmas this year. He let me pick out the theme, which I chose to make a mashups of a motorcycle and car. It's going to be similar to the Polaris Slingshot, if you know what that is. There is no real plan to them because it's not something that's normally done, so I'm just going to get into it and we're going to see what I come up with. Let's go ahead and get her done. Still probably going to need more. May need to step up size on the drill bit. Not sure yet. Oh no, I got it. Oh, ye of little faith, Gargoyle. There we go. Alright. Take a gander at the bike here that I want to use. I want to use the back half of this bike and the front half of this car. Okay, kind of visualize it. I'm thinking from the motor back. So basically I'm just cutting off the front end of it. Then I'm going to melt it into this. So we're going to notch out in here, slide this up in there and attach it somehow. Now I was thinking for attaching, I can attach it straight to the actual base. Yeah, I think that'll work. That'll give it a little platform of sorts. So we need to cut off the front end of this one. This one, I was thinking just the back end from the seat back. And I'm also thinking about maybe the side pipes. And put them like leaker side pipes on the car. And of course it'll be notched out back here and just go from the back of the windows back to the tire. So let's see how that works out. Remember, never put yourself into a corner. Always have options and audibles. And hopefully that'll save my butt in the rear and the end of everything. I think we're going to change the tires too on that one. I didn't like the tires the way they were. So that's what you call a hack. Thinking it's going to fit something like that. This is all pretty much plastic, it feels like, so this ought to cut pretty easy. This somehow. It is actually metal. I thought it was all plastic. It's alright though. Something like so. Now from here we can use grinding bits if we want. If we need to grind it out. Something like that. So we need to cut off the back part of that from the whole back. Yeah, basically you gotta look at what we're doing. So basically we just gotta take and do the JB Quick on the bottom of it, and then a little bit of paint. Some grinding down in the paint, and this one's done. Then we can start on the Batmobile, which is the one that Santa Slowdog is probably going to look forward to. He's tried to get me to desecrate a Batmobile, and I wouldn't do it. And finally I came across this one that was already missing parts and missing the wheels, and found a couple wheels for the front, but the back's going to be cut off anyway, so yeah, it's time to desecrate one. I told him it's one of those things that, people are either going to love it or they're going to hate it. It's that way with every iconic movie vehicle. That's part of the reason I've shied away from doing them. But at this point, to be honest, I'm not getting that many views anyway. I'm not sure how much longer I'm going to keep doing this. I'm only averaging 100, 150 views per video, so, it's like beating my head against a wall. Why do I keep doing it? I don't know, we'll see. Maybe today's just a bad day. Tomorrow I may feel different. Something like that. Now we set it aside to dry. Put down a piece of tape over here so make sure I'm not getting it all over my mat. Yeah, JB Quick doesn't come off. Just like so, and get rid of this mess here before I stick my arm in it. Trust me, I've done it. It sucks. And put a new piece down. So we need some for the second vehicle. Alright, let's see what we got here. Now this one I only wanted from the seat back. I didn't want the whole motor. I thought about it, but it's got a motor up front. You don't need another motor back here. Though the hood scoop would look cool, but that also enables me to use the side pipes, which, like I said, I want to make into like leaker pipes going down the sides. Not sure that's going to work yet, but I'm thinking that's what I'm going to try. So let's do that first. We're going to cut the side pipes off so that we can get to cut the seat back off. Okay, so I'm back from drilling at the drill press, getting it ready for the screws, and I decided while I was at it, I went ahead and sanded it down and tossed a new coat of paint on it, because the old paint was pretty rough anyway. Well, now I'm going to have to go back and do touch-ups after the grinding and cutting and everything else, I'm sure, but it was just easier to do the bulk of it right now, so I went ahead and did that. Now we need to close these wheel wells because there's not going to be wheels there anymore. So I'm going to close those up using a couple pieces of PLA plate, glue them in place, and then we'll go to cutting the back end out for the motorcycle back end to be mounted. So that's our next couple steps. Probably gonna glue this wood stick to it, but we'll have to chip it away or something. Back here, make sure we get it straight. Pretty close. And yes, some of that will be getting ground down and sanded down, etc. As I move it all around. Alright. Center it back up again. We've got plenty of time. It's going to take a couple minutes to set. Both fronts. Okay. Making sure all the wheels are down and touching. Let it sit. I'm going to go grab a bite to eat real quick and come back. By the time I get back, it should be set and ready. We can go ahead and file it down around it and see what our next step is. See you in a few. Ah, you know what? It's a good thing I thought about this. We can't do this yet. I can do the bottom. We're going to have to redo the stuff on the sides because I still need to put the interior and stuff back in. Good thing I'm thinking ahead. Otherwise that would have been bad. I would have had no way to put the interior and the bubble glass back in. So we'll let that dry that way. Probably don't need that much on it. Make our grinding a little easier. And here's where we started. And the funny part was that Santa didn't think I had time to get one done out of all this. Let's look where we ended up. Yeah, there. All 6. Got a Harley Quinn, a Joker, another Joker van for a support vehicle. And then you got Batgirl and 2 Batman rides. One for Batman, one for Robin to drive. So yeah, I let my OCD get a hold of me and I just kind of went down the rabbit hole there. Sorry, Santa. But I hope you guys like them. If so, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And I hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Until next time, that's all, folks. Bye now.